Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Lightning Web Components tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Introduction to LWC, Key Concepts of LWC, Structure of LWC Components, Lifecycle Hooks in LWC, Key Features of LWC and Benefits of LWC. Introduction to LWC. LWC stands for Lightning Web Components. It is a modern framework introduced by Salesforce to build responsive, fast and reusable components in Salesforce Lightning experience. It leverages modern web standards like ECMAScript 6, ES6, custom elements, Shadow DOM, and modules, offering a more efficient and standard compliant way develop Lightning components. It is a lightweight user interface framework built using web stack tools such as HTML and JavaScript. It helps Salesforce developers to construct efficient and reusable components. LWC are easier to develop than Aura components because they are based on HTML and JavaScript. Rendering is much faster in LWC compared to Aura framework due to API support, which results in superior performance. Key concepts of LWC. It is using web standards. LWC is built on the latest web standards. It uses native browser APIs, which means developers can use HTML, CSS and JavaScript with less reliance of proprietary frameworks. Custom elements. LWC uses custom elements, a standard for defining new HTML tags. Each component in LWC is an HTML element encapsulating logic and presentation. Shadow DOM. It is a web standard that enables encapsulation of the component's internal structure. This ensures that the component's internal DOM structure, styles, and behavior are self-contained and won't interfere with other components. LDS Lightning Data Service. LWC provides access to Salesforce data using LDS, which enables easy integration with Salesforce objects without the need for Apex or SQL queries in many cases. Two-way data binding. LWC allows parent and child components to, to exchange data seamlessly, ensuring real-time UI updates based on changes to data. Faster and lightweight. Since LWC is built using native browser technologies, it offers better performance compared to its predecessor Aura component. Structure of LWC component. LWC component consists of several files. HTML file. How we are providing the name? Component name.html defines the structure of the component. CSS file. It contains the styles scope to this component. JavaScript file contains the logic for the component. XML configuration file. This file defines the metadata such as the component's visibility in different environments like Lightning App Builder, Experience Cloud, etc. Lifecycle hooks in LWC. LWC has several lifecycle hooks that allows developers to control behavior at different stages of the component's lifecycle. First is constructor, called when the component instance is created. Connected callback, invoked when the component is inserted into the DOM. Rendered callback, called after every render of the component. Disconnected callback, called when the component is removed from the DOM. Error callback, invoked when any child component throws an error. Key features of LWC. Declarative templates. The HTML files in the LWC are declarative templates, meaning they describe the structure of the UI in a straightforward manner. Reactivity. LWC uses a reactive programming model. When a JavaScript property changes, the UI automatically updates to reflect that change. Modules and import. LWC allows importing and using reusable code through ES6 modules. It also supports using third-party JavaScript libraries. Events. LWC components communicate via custom events, enabling parent-child and child-parent communication. Benefits of LWC. Lightweight framework. Since LWC is built on modern web standards, it is more lightweight compared to traditional frameworks. Modern JavaScript standards. LWC is based on ES6 ECMAScript 6 standards, meaning developers can take advantage of modern JavaScript features like modules, classes, and arrow functions. This reduces the learning curve for developers already familiar with modern web development. Reusability. Components built using LWC are reusable across different applications. Developers can build components once and reuse them across various Salesforce pages and applications. Enhanced security. LWC adheres to modern security standards with built-in protections like locker service, which ensures that components remain isolated and secure. Cross-browser compatibility. Since LWC is built on standard web technologies, components are naturally compatible across all modern browsers. It eliminates browser-specific issues and provides consistent performance on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and other browsers. Thank you.